Hello, today we will learn the most commonly used certain letter combinations in German in most easiest way. For better understanding, pause the video and repeat after me. Our today's first letter combination is CH at the beginning of the word. Has lot of different pronunciation and there are not really rules that really help you. So just try to follow my pronunciation and memorize it somehow. CH can be pronounced as SCH. Zum Beispiel Chemie, China, Chef. Our next combination is same as before, that is CH at the beginning of the word, but the pronunciation is different, that is TSCH. Zum Beispiel Chicken, Chatten. Here be careful, chatten is to chat. When Germans use this word, they don't mean chat by talking or by talking on a phone. They mean text chatting.